have our friends in New Jersey.
Welcome back to New Jersey again. I'm happy to say it's a sunny 41 degrees and our 2 feet of snow is rapidly melting. So we want to show you now the wonderful Epson F3070 printer. We are one of a few hand-picked resellers in the US to have this as a demonstration unit. We are excited to have it. We know that you're just going to love it when you see the speed and the quality and the ease of use and the cost savings, especially when it comes to the ink. So Joey here is going to be printing some shirts. Come on, Joey. Joey is going to be printing shirts as we go. And da, 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 da. So I will tell you one of the things that our customers love about this printer. That is the replaceable print head. It is a self-servicing machine. What does that mean? Well, that means is you have no downtime. That means that the printer, if you have a problem, you can change that print head yourself and be back up and running within an hour. That to me is amazing because now you don't lose any downtime, you don't lose any money, and you're ready to go. So Joey is printing now. We've got some shirts coming out, and you're going to see just how fast this printer is. It is astounding. In addition to the printer being fast, the quality is just incredible. The dual print head makes it super fast. It's laying down the white and laying down the color at the same time. Amazing. You can see it going now. In addition, the inks. The inks are in bulk ink bags now. Look at that quality. Joey, hold that up for a moment. That way. No, the other way. Isn't that beautiful? All under a minute. This is productivity and quality at its best. Joey is now going to place it on the Vastex Dryer. This is the little red X3D dryer, which we love to have here in our showroom. And now he's going to show you from beginning to end how quickly and how productivity-wise this printer can really be. It's simple. He's just going to push the button and away he goes. Or doesn't go. Start your stopwatches, everybody watching. You're going to see this is under 1 minute. Lights go on. Can you switch to the overhead, please, Sophia? There we go. So everybody can see just how fast this printer is. Why is it so important, right, to have speed and to have a reduced cost of inks? Well, we know why. It's more profit in your pocket. That's why. The more shirts you can get out an hour and at the lower cost, because the inks are literally half the price of cartridge inks, the more money you're going to make and the happier your clients are going to be. Why? Because they're going to get their jobs faster and they're going to be astounding quality. That was under a minute. And he's just going to keep on going. And another one goes down. Now, this printer is capable of printing many different products. Jeans, hoodies, caps, tote bags. Why? Because it automatically adjusts the print head height to make sure that you get a good feed through and a great inked image all the time. And there she goes. Now, the printer is a pretty big mama. So we do ask if you're interested. We like to make sure the very basics. Number one, will it fit in your facility? I know it seems like a very basic, silly question to ask, but it's big and we want to make sure that it is successful from the very beginning of you looking at it as a viable option to you to when you're actually printing money on it. And when I say printing money, that's what I mean. Here's another shirt. And if you notice, these are continuous tone shirts. These are just beautiful in color. Now, if it can do this quickly with continuous tone shirts, how much quicker would it be for standardized line art or type? I mean, this is going to fly. Now, these shirts are pre-treated. These are cotton heritage shirts. They were pre-treated in our Speed Treater TX, which is manufactured here in New Jersey by Equipment Zone. The pre-treat is nice and consistent. It works fast, and it gives you a beautiful coverage. So you don't have to worry about the image quality problems that you can have if you try to pre-treat something with a lesser piece of equipment. Very important step in printing shirts. Now, on top of the printer, you'll see we do have some samples. We've got denim, we've got a hat, we've got baby clothes. There are all kinds of platens that can be put on here. And as I showed you earlier, Equipment Zone manufactures these platens. These are the Easy Ultimate platens. They're well made, they're well priced, and they're going to give you lots of opportunity to make more profits than you ever thought imaginable. How many did we do, Joey? 4? 4 or 5? I don't know. We're just going to keep on printing.
Jay wants to print a different image.
Okay, now we're going to print a different image. Just to give you an idea as to what line art would look like. The way this printer works is very simple. You can either send the file directly to the printer, or you can put it on an external USB drive and pop it right into the printer. Then it's just a matter of pushing the button and going. So off we're going, yet another print being done. Okay, this is still we call this our 4 faces because it shows you every skin tone that you can have. And if it can reproduce these skin tones, imagine what it will do on other artwork. By the way, if you are interested in a demonstration, we are doing video demonstrations here in Equipment Zone, New Jersey. As you can tell by our camera setup, you will get a first-hand view of the entire production. You'll get a first-hand view on to how the inner workings are and everything but be able to touch it yourself. We can print another image right now. It's just a matter of sending a different image. Sophia, are you going to do that? So Sophia is now going to send another image to the printer and show you how she does that. Are you doing it on the USB drive or direct? So she's going to put a different image on the USB drive and then walk right up to the printer, plug it in, and be ready to go. Why is that important to you? Well, during your downtime, and I hope you don't have a lot of downtime, but there will be at some point, you can prepare your clients' jobs ahead of time. You can get everything set up in Garment Creator, and then you can offload it to a USB drive. Then when you're ready to start the production, you just go right, plug it in, and you're ready to go. We doing it now? This is a Contone? We're canceling our beautiful 4 faces, and now we're going to go to a different piece of artwork. Pretty nice. So this facility here was really adapted for COVID. We used to have so many people come in for all different events, but now with the use of technology, we've got video cameras everywhere in this place. In the ceilings, on the tripods, you name it, we've got it. This is the Easy For Me. So now what we're printing is called the Easy For Me. This is one of our logos. And this is going to be really fast. So pay attention. It's going to print super fast. I didn't time it. I hope somebody at home is timing it. It's way under a minute, but this one is really fast. Now it's laid down the white, and as you can see, then it will lay down the color. And there she goes. What was that? Maybe 40 seconds? I don't know. I didn't time it. I'm going to time the next one. Here we go. We're getting ready to time. I got my stopwatch open. And now we're putting for something a little bit different. As Monty Python used to say, now for something completely different. We're going to print a nice bright colored shirt. And as soon as it goes in, I'm going to hit the start button. And he pushes the magic button. So we're going to time this one. Lights go on inside the printer, which is a lot of fun to watch. Now, we have arranged to have the top open on this printer. Don't try this at home, folks. This way the cameras can see it very nicely. And you can see it. And that really adds to the effect. Automatic height adjustment, bulk inks, user replaceable print head when needed. These are just a few of the great features. Looks like I've got 39 seconds. So that shirt was printed in 39 seconds. A beauty. I'm going to defer back to you, Jay. If you're ready for the next segment, we're ready to go. Thanks for coming back to New Jersey. We'll see you in a little while.
That was awesome. You guys did excellent. Thank you.